Good morning, Rajat.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you, brother?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. Tell us what's happening today.
Yeah, I'm going to dreams come true. The skydive thing.
Yeah, where?
In Skydive, Dubai.
Yeah, you got it, bro. Palm Jumeirah, 13,000 feet, 1 whole minute free falling.
Oh my God.
You ready?
Yeah, I am definitely ready.
Are you a bit scared?
No, just little goosebump on my stomach.
All right, my man. Any last words? Anything you want to say before we go?
Love you all. Love you, Sky Dubai.
All right, my friend. Have fun. I'll see you in the sky.
Thank you.
Boom. Yeah, boy. How was that, my man?
Yeah, that's really amazing. Thanks, buddy.
Good, good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah, really happy.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, of course I will come again.
Awesome, my man.
Sure.
Skydive Dubai. See you
Okay,
again.
sure.
Bye-bye.